What's up? Mark from Straight to You Tech, and this is my month review of the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Now, these things have been phenomenal. Okay, they've been phenomenal. I can't say much. I can't say nothing really negative about them. I got, of course, I got a few things I got, I can say bad about them, but let's start with the bad about that. Okay. Almost can't say nothing bad about them. They're just so good of a headphone. But I can't say something about the little wingtips here. They tend to fit your ears, but after a while they get kind of loose and they move around a little bit. But other than that, what can I say bad about them? I just can't say nothing bad about them. They're really good. Battery life is really good. Okay, micro USB or USB Type-C has been great. Okay, been nice to carry around one cable, one for my phone, and then I just plug these in and charge them up. By the way, this case charges very fast. I don't know the exact numbers, but I think this thing is charging at least 30, 45 minutes, at least on my charger. I'm using the OnePlus fast charger, not the supercharger that came out with the OnePlus 7 Pro, but it's the OnePlus 6 charger and down, if you want to say that. This case, charged up very fast. Let's talk about the sound. I just been loving the sound that comes out of this. It is a nice balanced sound. Okay, it is a nice balanced sound. A lot of bass, actually. A lot of bass, a bass that I like, and at first when I got these, my ears had to adjust to them, and that's what I say, give these things a shot. They will adjust to you, and you'll be like, wow, these will sound really good. Because at first I thought they were kind of quiet, but then after a while they got almost too loud after a while. The EQ works pretty good in the app, the little Gear Wearable app. Other than that, I got to use my, like I said in my other review, I got to use my conjunction of my phone's EQ and the EQ that's built into that Gear Wearable app. And everything just sounds really good. Touch controls have been great. Okay, ear detection has been great. That little LED, whatever that is, a LED right there that picks it up when you put it in your ear. That's been great. Charging, no problems. As soon as you drop them in the case, they charge up. Charge up very fast, by the way. I did try that fast charging feature when you put them in for a few minutes and you get 1.7 hours of use. Works to the T. It definitely does that. These things, great. Like I said, the touchpad's great. Charging, sound. This case is pretty robust. I dropped it and it jumped around a couple times. I don't know if you can see the scratches on the bottom there, because I picked it up, kind of did one of those scrape pick it up type things. I like that it didn't bounce open and my earbuds went flying. I could say that. It's been good. I did try it on a wireless charger. Of course, that worked. No problem with that. So if you got the OnePlus, you got the Samsung, S10, and you want to drop it on there and charge them, sure, that's going to work for you. I don't have that phone, so I can't vouch for that. But I did try it on a wireless charger. A friend had it at work. Dropped them on there. The little LED lit up. And I said, "Oh, it's charging." Well, anyways, let's see. And some of those buds, I haven't used them. I haven't used none of the other wings. The ones that are pretty much set up that it comes out with is what I've been using. I haven't used the cable much neither. It's just something you ain't got to use when you got your phone charger using USB Type-C already. As far as these buds here, I haven't really needed them. I think this is a bigger wing and stuff like that. I haven't really needed them. I'm waiting to try these out. These are probably what I'll switch to next. It's just a little, I don't know if it looks more like a cover. It's not really a wing or anything. But either than that, I could say just go out and definitely buy these Samsung Galaxy Buds, okay? Just go out and buy them. You won't be disappointed in these. They just sound good, okay? I don't know if I'm trying to give you guys a good look at how much. I'm pretty rough with them, and they're holding up really good. I can say one thing. I think I'm starting to notice. I don't know. You see how I'm doing here? I'm putting my finger up against the edge of that touchpad, and I don't know if that's starting to come up, and I hope not. But I thought I felt it's on one of them here. I can feel like it's trying to come up or something. Yeah. I don't know if it's trying to come up or it's just getting sharp because I'm using it a lot, but that's a good look right there. Well, it's not coming up. You can look on the video here. It's not coming up. Holding up pretty good. These fronts, the touchpad. You can see it's kind of painted or whatever. It's not coming off yet, and my hands get kind of greasy, kind of dirty. Look at them right now. Got dirt on my fingers right now. Cut right here. Excuse that, but nothing's happening to them. They're holding up very well, and so is the sound. After that first initial update, I've had no connection problems with them whatsoever. Not one cutout. When you're watching videos, they are right on par. No lag. No lag. If you want to watch videos through Bluetooth 5.0, that's the way to go. Get these. You won't be disappointed. These are so good. I can't say much more about them. I can't say much negative about them. I can't say much more about them than they just sound good, and go out and pick them up. Highly recommended. Highly recommended. Real small too. Just throw this in your purse, pocket, back pocket. This thing's tough. All right, get them. Get them. Here's what they look like. Okay, $129 at the store. Get them. You won't be disappointed. Very nice. All right, I'm signing off. Mark from Straight to You Tech, and I'm out.